Here's a simple recipe for making delicious pancakes. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 or 2 teaspoons salt, 1 cup milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons melted butter or vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, optional. Instructions: mix dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Combine wet ingredients. In another bowl, whisk the milk, egg, melted butter or oil, and vanilla extract until well combined. Combine mixtures. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. It's okay if there are a few lumps. Heat the pan. Heat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat. Lightly grease with butter or oil. Cook the pancakes. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter onto the skillet for each pancake. Cook until bubbles form on the surface and the edges look set. Then flip and cook until golden brown on the other side. Serve. Serve warm with your favorite toppings like maple syrup, fresh fruit, or whipped cream. Enjoy your homemade pancakes. Do you have any favorite toppings or variations you like to try?